Did you know that humans are hardwired to find symmetrical faces more attractive? It's not just a preference, it's biology. Our brains make these judgments almost instantly, but why is symmetry so compelling? Today, we're diving into the science of what makes a face attractive, and the truth behind it is more surprising than you might think. Why are some faces universally attractive? The answer lies in a fascinating mix of biology, psychology, and culture. Think about it. Why do we all seem to agree that certain people are beautiful, even across different backgrounds and tastes? Scientists have studied this for years, and it turns out that it's not just about good genes. It's about how our brains are wired to perceive beauty, symmetry, and proportions. But what is it about symmetry that speaks to us so deeply? Facial symmetry has long been seen as a marker of attractiveness. It signals good health, strong genetics, and overall fitness, traits that our ancestors instinctively sought in a mate to ensure the survival of their offspring. But here's where it gets interesting. Symmetry is not something we consciously notice, yet it has a profound impact on how we perceive others. Imagine looking at a face and feeling an unexplainable attraction. That's your brain detecting symmetry without you even realizing it. It's almost as if our brains are running an invisible health check, scanning for signs that a person would be a good match, even if we're not consciously looking for a partner. But it doesn't stop there. There are also ideal facial proportions that seem to make us pause and take notice. The golden ratio, a mathematical formula often associated with beauty, frequently appears in the most admired faces, from ancient sculptures to modern-day celebrities. It's not just a coincidence. Our brains are surprisingly adept at picking up on these subtle cues, even when we don't realize it. Have you ever wondered why some faces just seem perfect to you, even if you can't quite explain why? That's the golden ratio at work, whispering to your subconscious that this is what beauty looks like. Cultural influences also shape our perception of beauty. Across different cultures, some features are celebrated more than others. For instance, certain societies may value high cheekbones, while others prefer fuller lips. However, the underlying principles often remain similar: balanced proportions, clear skin, and expressive eyes. Why do these features matter so much? Because they signal health and fertility. Our brains are evolutionarily wired to look for signs that someone is healthy and capable of reproduction. Even in a world where our survival no longer depends on picking the healthiest mate, these signals still influence how we perceive attractiveness. Here's something even more mind-blowing. Studies have shown that people can judge a face's attractiveness within milliseconds. Imagine walking past someone and instantly knowing whether you find them attractive, even before you consciously process it. That's how fast our brains make these complex calculations, measuring symmetry, proportion, and health cues, all in the blink of an eye. It shows just how deeply ingrained these preferences are and how much of our attraction is beyond our conscious control. It's almost as if we're on autopilot, letting our biology make the decisions for us. And what about personality? Can a person's character influence how attractive they appear? Absolutely. When you learn more about someone, their personality can dramatically change how attractive they seem to you. A symmetrical face might catch your attention initially, but kindness, humor, and confidence are the traits that make attraction last. It's this combination of biological signals and personal connections that truly defines attractiveness, making it a unique blend of what we see and how we feel. In summary, the science behind an attractive face is a blend of biology, psychology, and cultural influence. We're drawn to symmetrical features, ideal proportions, and healthy traits, often without even knowing why. But beyond that initial attraction, personality and human connection play an enormous role in how beauty is truly perceived. Understanding this helps us see that beauty isn't just skin deep. It's deeply wired into who we are as humans, shaped by both instinct and emotion. So, what do you think? Are beauty standards just a result of our biology, or do we have more control over what we find attractive? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the science of human behavior. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.